AlfaPro Bitcoin Cloud Mining. Hello everyone, how to towards back with another new video. So in this video you're gonna learn AlfaPro Bitcoin Cloud Mining, how to install and get your device in your device. So you can see it's AlfaPro Bitcoin Cloud Mining. So you can download and install this app from Google Play Store and App Store, and after that I will show you the some feature in this app. Like AlfaPro is a cloud miner, so it is a mining app. So no deep knowledge for extra time is required, or highly skilled, helpful support team. Mining is made easier with AlfaPro Bitcoin, and they're extremely UI friendly. Is this cloud mining, fast withdrawals. So it's really amazing. It's released few days ago, so you can use this. It's really trusted. So you can earn here a lot of money. So okay friend, today's Norman. Thank you for watching the video.